Hi guys! Welcome back again to our channel. And today, samahan nyo kami sa aming 6th house hunting. Ayan, binibilang na namin kasi hindi na namin ma-pinpoint yung townhouses. So, idaan na lang natin sa bilang. So, townhouse number 1, number 2. So, ngayon, number 6 na. And, nandito tayo ngayon sa area ng Cranston. Ayan yung...
Parang ganyan siya.
Nadadaanan natin. Pero doon pa kami, yan, konti pa. Yan, sa Cranston Way. Ayan. And I think, yan, based sa aming pag-research, ay malapit to sa mga schools. I think, ito na nga, oh. Ayan, nakikita nyo yan. Ang pangalan, Dr. George Stanley School. Yan. So, medyo malapit siya sa mga schools.
Especially sa kaibigan natin, si Jason.
Oo. So, titingnan niya nga raw kung makakahabol siya at busy lang siya. Yan, para makasama namin siya sa pagtingin. Siyempre, niya to baluarte.
Tapos may church pa, church ba to?
I think church yan. Oo, nakita ko yan sa Google Maps din. And then, ito yung, sorry ha, magulo yung camera. Football field ba to? Softball area.
Football.
Diba? So, another, na naman to, community. So, iba yung sa Applewood, sa Mackenzie, and then sa Copperstone, and then ito naman ay Cranfield. Ayan, ito yung community. Nice din, nagwo-walk sila ng dogs, oh. Tapos nagbabike. So, maganda yung weather ngayon, guys, +8. Yan. And syempre sasamahan ulit tayo ni Kuya Daniel sa ating house tour.
Ito siya.
Uy, andito na. Hindi. Sa looban pa yun doon. So,
tayo dito.
So malapit-lapit na tayo, guys.
Yung nakikita natin sa Google Street, ito lang
Oo, hindi kami nakapapasok.
Hindi siya sa loob.
So ito na, guys, yung pangalawang bahay. Ayan. Pangalawang townhouse. So, hindi ko lang alam saan tayo pwede mag-park, syempre.
So, dapat siya siguro, pwede.
Ito, may for sale.
May tao.
Hindi, baby. 340 yan. Sa pangalawa tayo.
May ilaw nga.
Oo, kasi baka nandiyan na si
ito,
Daniel.
parking, visitor.
Ayun, visitor parking.
Yeah, dito tayo.
So, nice din. Diba? Parang to, yung pinupuntahan natin sa Auburn, no? Yung building 100, 200. Palibot kasi yung buildings. Tapos, dun sa kabilang street, yun na yung mga single detached. And alam nyo ba kung magkano yan ngayon? Yung mga value niya nasa 580 to 700,000 to 800,000. Yan. Yan yung may init na sa market. Napakamahal na talaga. Kaya syempre, ang tinitinan lang natin, yung cheaper version. Yan, kasi hindi natin afford pa ang mga single detached. Maganda sana syempre yung may front garage, tapos detached siya. Siyempre, as much as possible. Kaya lang, hindi nagsasakto sa budget. So, anyway, tingnan muna natin kung makakapasok na tayo.
So, gaya nga na sinabi ni Emma, guys, no? Pang-anim na bahay ito. Pero, yun nga, based din sa mga payo ng mga ibang kababayan natin, huwag din mag-stick lang sa ilang bahay. Dapat talaga marami. Para at least may pagpipilian tayo. Kasi hindi mo naman agad-agad talaga masasabi na ito na agad yung gusto mo Meron at meron pa rin. Pero syempre, kapag feel mo na okay na tong bahay na to, so doon tayo magde-decide. So ito yung bahay pala, guys. Oops. Ayan siya. Medyo mataas din siya ng konti, pero hindi siya ganun kataas na mga tulad ng pinuntahan natin kahapon, Ayan. So yun nga lang, may stairs agad siya dito. Then ito yung parking slot mo. Ayan. So go, pasok tayo sa loob. So, first part, syempre. Normal. Yeah. Lagi naman pagpasok mo talaga ng main door is, yan, lagayan ng jacket.
Occupied pa ito.
Oo, actually may nakatira pa ngayon dito, guys, no?
Pero pwede na mag-tour.
Yeah.
And this is the
living room. So, yung TV mo. Yun nga pa dito carpeted to. Pagdating doon, hindi. Syempre, kitchen. Yes, ganda. Yan, syempre. Still, kasama natin si Daniel. Ayan.
let's talk about furnace later because I was reading your review.
Okay.
One guy commented the furnace. I want to really explain that to you.
Yeah,
Okay,
that will help
okay.
a lot. Actually, we can't answer that one.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Yan. Ang laki ng ano niya, landing niya.
Ano?
Ganda.
Additional, ano na rito, dining.
Dining,
area.
pwede ka na rin kumain dyan. Tapos, ito yung kanyang, syempre, dining table.
Then yung rest, baby, dito muna tayo sa kitchen.
Yes.
So, okay itong ano niya, finish na sa kanan.
Yeah, oo, maganda. Tsaka yung stove niya, hindi siya yung luma pa, no? I mean, luma na. Medyo okay pa siya. Kung titignan natin, ano. Then, microwave, syempre.
Maganda ito. May mga cabinets din below.
Yes.
And,
Tsaka meron na siyang dishwasher.
yeah,
Oops, sorry. Yan.
right?
Maganda dito, isa sa mga, gusto ko rin ito. Medyo malaki siya.
Parang ano na baby. Sapat na yung area, no? Kasi minsan, super sikip na sa kitchen. Ito, fit na. Ano?
Yeah. Sakto yung dining table natin dito. If ever lang, kukunin.
Then sa kapila.
Then, sa likod, ito na yun. May daan siya sa gilid. Likod pala, sorry. Ito yung likod.
Tahan lang kasi tayo.
Pwede natin siguro buksan. Tingnan lang natin yung likod bago tayo umakyat. Yan.
Ganda ng weather.
Ayan, so meron din siyang pang grill, pang barbecue, pero maliit lang. Okay na rin. Yan, so ito yung labas niya, guys. Yan. Okay.
And then meron din
So,
two-piece bathroom.
powder room.
Powder room.
Yeah, so may powder room siya dito.
Yan,
Wait, tingnan ko.
Space.
Yeah. Okay na rin, not bad na rin. Siyempre, maliit lang naman talaga.
Mas tight lang
Powder
yun doon sa Mackenzie baby, no? Mas may sikip.
Sliding door din, ano?
Pang
Siyempre,
save
pang,
talaga ng space.
Pang save ng space. Yeah. So, ito siya, guys.
Okay pa yung finish
Ganda,
niya.
maganda rin.
Malinis.
Then, so,
Close mo yung light, baby.
akyat na tayo.
So,
So,
this is a pantry.
yeah.
So,
So,
at least
ito
may
yung pantry
additional
niya.
organizing area ka. So, akyat na muna tayo before going down.
Ito, ano to?
Sa basement yan.
Okay, so later na yung basement.
So, ayun yung coffee nook niya, oh.
Yeah,
So,
tignan natin.
carpeted yung stairs.
Saan siya natulog si Sayan? Mataas siya.
I mean yung...
Akala ko straight na mataas eh. Kasi dun sa ibang nakita natin, diretso pataas. So, ito na tayo sa... Dito sa taas, tatlo?
Dalawa lang.
Dalawa, okay. So, unahin natin tong master's bedroom.
Masters, oo.
Oh, malaki din ha.
Kasi, meron siyang ano pa.
Oh, maganda. May
CR?
washroom na siya
4
dito.
piece o 5 piece yata itong
Tingnan natin. Malaki.
Oo.
Yeah, medyo malaki yung washroom niya.
Ganda.
Siyempre, normal na bathtub again.
Pero bigger to. No?
Okay, may exhaust. Yeah, ikutin natin.
Tapos
Para makita
dalawa.
nila itong...
Pag magkasabay pa kayo mag-asawa.
Pwede, oo.
Tig-isa kayo.
Hindi, misa kasi kami ni Emma nag-aagawan eh. Nag-aaway kami dyan. Yeah.
Mag-aantay si Alvin.
Then, ito yung king size to, malaki.
Oo.
Kasi king size guys, tinan nyo. Yan. King size, tapos may space pa siya doon. Tsaka dito. Then yung window mo, malaki eh. Makikita mo yung labas. Ganda. Ito yung likod eh. Nice.
And then yung ano niya, fan.
Oh, meron na siya niyan. Kasama na yan siguro, malamang. Tapos ito, may
May
walk-in
additional
closet.
cabinet siya dito.
Oo. Pero may walk-in closet din
Ibenta
siya.
na ganitong light, no?
Pero siyempre dadalhin niya yan.
Chill lang.
Ito, sige, ano lang, pasulyap
Kung
lang
ano
guys.
kalaki. Pero malaki siya, baby.
May gamit kasi. Oo, maganda. Oh. May gamit eh. So, yeah, not bad. Ganda.
Oo, additional room mo.
Oh, actually, pwede.
Oo.
Sabi ko nga sa'yo yung mga... O kasi Tim guys ha, tingnan niyo ako ha. Oh. Tingnan niyo oh. Kasya. Pwede pang, kung totoosin, pwede maglagay ng single bed dito.
Single room.
Oh.
Pero syempre,
Diba malaki? Oh, malaki. Nice.
Okay, so this is the master's
So,
bedroom.
pasok tayo dito sa pangalawang room.
I think this is muna, washroom ulit. And
Yeah.
then organizing.
Oh, laki din ng washroom.
Oo nga, di ba?
Ang ganda.
Washroom nila.
Actually, maganda siya. Nice. Tingnan nyo naman guys, ang laki ng washroom dito.
Yeah. And then,
Tapos,
parang bed ko dito
ito yung-
sa second room. Kasi ang ganda ng
ay, malaki
view.
din.
Oo, tapos,
Mas maganda pa nga,
ang ganda
oh.
pa nga ng view kasi open siya eh. Ano ba yun,
Oo.
nakaka-breathe ka.
Ang laki guys, oh, tingnan nyo.
Ito lang.
Ito, queen double o
Double.
queen?
Double yata.
Double siguro, double. Oh, may
Tapos
space pa
ito.
siya dito.
Mas gusto ko yung view
Tapos
dito.
dito, oh nga, maganda yung view lang dito.
So dito na lang ako doon pa sa kabila. Wow.
Pwede naman, iwalay tayo. Yun naman yung plano natin, maghiwalay na. Ayan, so ito yung front, no? Kasi yung sasakyan natin. Yan. Yan yung sasakyan
It
natin.
feels home.
Ganda.
Tapos meron siyang closet din. Ayan o. I think, ano ba yung walk-in ba yan? O CR? Sobrang.
Ano lang, closet lang.
So, saktong closet. Pero, at least,
Pero malaki din, ha? Oh, marami kang malalagay na damit.
tsaka pati na rin yung mga maleta.
Mm-mm.
Nice.
Nice.
So, what do you think?
Okay siya, maganda. Maganda siya.
Maganda for the second floor.
Yeah.
Spacious
Malaki,
din.
malaki.
Mm-mm.
Nakakatuwa. So, tingnan natin yung basement. Going to basement na tayo. Patayin natin ilaw.
Doon din.
Tsaka ito, para... Saan na ba yung switch? Ito. Okay. So, tingnan na natin yung
Yung
basement.
basement. So, guys, mayroon pang isang room sa basement.
Sa basement. O, parang naging tatlo siya. Ayan, si Jason dumating. Makikimarites.
Magiging ka-community na ba, Char?
Ayan.
Ate Jonna,
Ate
nagtutur
Jonna.
lang din.
Yeah.
Nalibot na namin yan sa taas.
Tingnan mo, maganda. Maganda rin. Okay din.
Sama mo ulit.
Oo.
Pero kung naman.
Punta
Punta
natin muna yung basement para diretso yung vlog. Ang laki.
Right?
Tingnan nyo naman, guys. Ang laki ng basement. Tapos may kwarto dito.
Nice. Oh, nice area
Ganda.
na eh.
Pwede, no? Saan yung room?
Anong
Ito ata yung room. Check natin nga.
year ang build?
Ito yung room. Ang laki din. Ang laki din ng room niya, baby. Look.
Pwede.
Pasukin natin guys yung extra room, ha. Ito yung pinaka parang magiging pangatlong room mo siya. Ayan. Ang laki.
Oh, yung malaki yung basement niya, high
Oo.
ceiling.
Ang laki ng basement. Nakakatawa. Parang nice.
Diba sabi ko sa'yo, room to sa basement.
Oo.
Nakita natin sa picture.
Nice.
Nice. And this is, finished. Hindi mo na kailangan paggawaan. Like, minsan pag nakikita natin unfinished,
Yeah.
Ito
Tapos yung
laundry area.
yeah, laki din eh, oh. Ito dyan, ano? Tingnan natin niyo kung kailan na-build to. Kasi importante raw guys yung fairness eh. Nice.
And then
Ito, ano to?
additional storage.
Baka. Storage lang siguro.
May sila.
Mga tools.
This basement has a permit, which is good.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is really good.
You have a permit. They disclose it. We just have to ask for it.
Yeah.
One thing I noticed about this basement, it needs railings.
Okay. Yeah, just like an
Because
additional.
your home inspector will say that's not safe.
Okay.
Because railings and stairs is actually a big deal for a lot of inspectors. Because
Oh.
it causes issues.
So ito yun guys, yung railings.
Oh, yeah.
Missing a railings here.
Yeah.
You might say that. And here, supposedly, by law, it's supposed to be 2 steps without railings.
Aha.
Now you have to use railings.
But at least it's finished. And
Yeah, it's finished. That's
they have
easy.
bigger,
Okay din. Ang laki ng room sa taas.
With that too,
right?
you're
Dalawa.
not gonna pass that.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you're not allowed to lock your basement.
How long in the market?
I haven't. I think 3 days. I'll check again. I'll check. But yeah, that's not gonna pass. But that's an easy fix.
Mm-hmm.
But this one has a permit, which is good.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. You are allowed to do whatever in your basement.
Mm-hmm.
Just be cautious that if you're gonna sell it, people like us will ask, do you have a permit?
Okay.
Right? If you don't, the price might be a bit different.
Yeah, it might be low.
Yeah. Also, if you have what do you call it? Legal and illegal suites. So you know the difference in those two?
No. Can you explain? for
So
the
legal
viewers?
suites is like having a house within a house. You have a separate entrance, separate furnace, separate hot water tank, electrical panel, just a separate house entirely in your basement. Because ideally you're renting it outside
Yeah. Okay.
to get in. And you want people to get out. You can't get out with that.
Yeah.
So that's
Okay.
illegal.
Illegal. Okay.
You also need a separate vent to vent out your food. That's legal,
Okay.
right? So if you have two of everything, that's kind of like legal.
Okay.
If you have a kitchen here and just one furnace and there's no vent, that's illegal suites.
Oh, okay.
So when you start renting it, people are gonna ask, is it legal? Legal suites. And you have to disclose it's illegal suites.
Yeah, but
Legal.
you can rent whether it's illegal or legal.
You can, but it's
Okay.
up to you as a homeowner.
Yeah.
Because ideally that's your liability.
Yeah, and they don't have separate entrance. Yeah.
Liability means that what if there's a fire, right?
They'll be trapped.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you're liable for it.
So, Kuya Daniel will answer one of the questions of our subscribers
Yeah.
about the furnace. So,
Someone-
what's the question again?
So someone asked, how was it so much?
Why
50
was it so much?
Yeah.
It's like 19 to 20
Yeah,
right?
I said 90 to 20,000. I always go
19 to
above
20,000.
and above. Because if you come here, this is a nice furnace. And this is a bit
Right.
small. But if you look at the furnace, that's an inch and then 2 inch. If you replace it, the furnace guy said, okay, you have to replace it. Why is it like that? The question is, there's two kinds of furnace. High efficiency and low efficiency, the regular efficiency, right? This is high efficiency. The low efficiency lasts a little longer, a lot of people tell me, because you can replace the parts. That's why you see 1980s furnace. They're huge, but they'll last forever. Because you just keep replacing the parts. It's like having a 1970 Ford Mustang. You can do whatever you want with it. This is like the newer ones. It's like a V6 turbo engine. So you need to have a right people replacing the parts. But these sometimes, they don't last that long. They only last about, they say 15 to 20 years. If you take care of it. Because it's a lot of parts going on. Now, when you replace a furnace, they'll say, okay, it's about 8 to 10,000, right? To replace a furnace. What if you have a 1980s furnace that's twice the size, and you have to take it all out, and you have to put holes in here in the concrete, because high efficiency needs to be going outside this way. Low efficiency is on your roof,
Yeah.
right? The exhaust. So you take that out. Next thing you know, you're up to 15,000, because those are labor. And these two goes on hand in hand. If your furnace goes bad, there's a big chance you have to replace this, the hot water tank.
Okay.
And that's another $2,000 to $3,000.
Okay.
So when I say, yeah, that's a bit too much, yes, it is a lot.
Yeah.
Because if I go low, I say, oh, it only costs $5,000. But next thing you know, you're replacing a furnace that costs $15,000. It's better to go above,
Yeah.
just within your budget. Because labor is expensive.
Yeah.
Parts are expensive too. Because it does take time to do all these. Replacing a furnace takes about 2 to 3 days.
Okay.
This will take like half a day.
Okay.
Is this a brand new?
These are brand new.
Okay.
You can
That's
tell from
nice.
here.
That's nice to know.
So they clean it 2023 and so on, right? That's the first thing the inspector will check. I mean, I'm not a builder, I'm not a home inspector. I just built a lot of houses in my lifetime, and I've seen a lot of houses.
Yeah. It's good to
Yeah, nice.
like know that from you, like
Yeah.
have that experience.
It's just the
Knowledge.
cost is there. Even for me, my roof is coming up to 20 years. I had to think about $30,000 for my
Oh.
roof, right?
Yeah. So we should also check the roof.
So the roof here is condo board,
Okay. Yeah, that's what you are paying monthly.
Yeah.
Okay.
but
Good.
eventually you have a special assessment,
Yeah.
which we'll talk about. But
Right.
that depends on the budget of the condo board.
Yeah.
There's a big picture.
Right.
What I do is I give you guys choices.
Mhm.
If you like the house, even though there's a little kind of that you don't like, but it's feasible, then yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah.
But for major things like roof, hot water tank, furnace, windows, if those are kind of like not that good, then you should consider not.
Okay.
because those are a huge expense.
Yeah.
And it should reflect the price of the property.
Definitely.
If the
This
price,
one?
yeah, if the property is priced for, if this property is priced for 600
Mm-hmm.
and the furnace is bad,
It's
well, it doesn't
not
make
worth
sense.
it. Yeah.
Yeah, I will walk away.
Yeah.
Nice.
We should walk away. No, but this one is
This one's nice.
nice.
This,
Yeah.
this wear and tear, which is normal,
Yeah.
because people live in it.
What year is this again? Sorry.
So I have to check
I
upstairs.
think 2012
I've seen a
or
lot.
16. Yeah.
I've seen a lot of houses.
Okay,
Yeah.
let's go.
You-
So, ano masasabi mo?
Yeah. Very homey. I feel
Na-feel mo?
this is the one chart.
Maganda. Hindi, maganda. Maganda siya guys. Actually, basement pa
Pag-usapan
lang.
daw natin.
Panalo eh. Kasi may extra room pa. Parang pwede mo nga rin gawin ano to eh. Kung pwede mo muna paupahan eh.
Hindi, ayoko magpaupan kung hindi ko kakilala.
Oh,
Kasi
siyempre.
nga, isang ano lang to, entrance.
Oo, oo.
Dito ka dadaan sa property.
It's a nice place, honestly. It's just flow to it. There's wear and tear like this carpet, for
Right.
example, right? So bounce is gone.
Oh, yeah.
So you eventually need to replace it. The one with the tele carpet is see, this is flat. It should be bouncy like this in the corner.
Oh, yeah, because this has been like used a lot.
Mhm.
But it's still working, so you
Right.
can clean it.
Definitely.
Really clean it. And it's gonna be okay. Yeah, it's a nice flow to it. It's a good community.
This is
Cranston
nice.
is nice.
2012 year
This
built.
2012.
And
Okay.
this is a bonus. No, it's granite.
Granite, yeah.
You can tell
Just
right
the
here.
support.
Oh, yeah, they put the support.
Yeah, support. It's a granite.
Oh.
The granite is expensive.
So if you're gonna replace a carpet, I would just do hardwoods on it.
Mhm.
Yeah,
just-
it's like mine, right?
Because that's an
It's
easy.
like smaller version of
Yeah.
your house.
That's a very easy fix. Because you can do it yourself. And you can.
Yeah, that one is a big deal.
Drink muna tayo ng
Nice.
ganda.
So I like the basement.
Tapos ito yung window pa rin dito. Ayan, makikita mo yung front mo. Diba? Tapos nandiyan sa sasakyan mo. Nakita mo. Kaya sabi namin na Emma din, okay, pwedeng hindi natin consider yung may garage. Kasi okay naman, nasa front mo naman siya.
So, that's it guys, no? Nakita nyo na naman ang ating another tour. Yan, house tour number 6. Yan, para matandaan natin. And I guess, one of the best. Parang gano'n na nga. Ito na pagkwentuhan namin na lagi mong masasabi,
Ito na.
ito na, parang okay na to.
Tapos
Sa
pag may nakita ka na
oo.
naman bago, sasabihin mo,
Ito na
mukhang
naman.
ito na.
So, kailangan talaga makita mo lahat ng dapat mo makita. So, sabi nga again, babanggitin namin, may client si Kuya Daniel na umabot muna sa 56 showings bago siya mag-decide na ito talaga ang pipiliin niya. So, naka 56 sila. So, kami nakaka-anim pa lang. Hindi na namin sinama yung mga na-view namin last year kasi hindi na namin matandaan din. Tsaka, ano lang din yun, mga mahal. I mean, hindi pa ganun talaga kaseryoso. Kasi nasa 650,000 yung natingnan natin. No?
May 700 pa nga.
So, unrealistic yun. Kasi nakita ko lang naman yun sa like Google, internet na may show home. So, napunta kami lalo na nung pumunta dito yung ate ni Alvin.
Pinakita din kasi natin kay ate yung mga bahay dito.
Oo, ano ba yung bahay dito sa Canada? Kasi nga yung ate ni Alvin ay galing naman ng Germany. Pero ngayon kasi, ito na yung parang what if lilipat na tayo, kukuha na tayo ng bahay, ano ba yung fit sa budget? Kaya ito na yung, dito na tayo nag-start magbilang. So, titingnan natin makailan tayo na house tour. Makaabot din ba tayo ng 56?
Ay, hindi
Ganyan.
naman.
Kasi parang nakakapagod din, tsaka sayang sa gas. Pero hopefully, di ba, along the way, ay makita na natin yung the one.
De, pero parang ano lang din yan, baby. Kahit sabi mong 5 pa lang or 6 pa lang yung nakita natin, okay din yun eh. Kasi ganun din yun eh. Kahit sabi mo mabot ka ng 56, mamaya hindi pa rin ikaw nakakakita. Sabi mo pwede pa tayo maghanap pang 57. Sabi natin, oh ito na naman, di ba? But depende.
Depende, malay mo sa unang sulyap pa lang, love at first sight.
Maramdaman mo na agad.
Oo, pwede yun. Hindi ka na makaabot sa like 10 showings, okay na yan. So, it depends talaga. Tingnan natin kung ilang showings maaabutan bago makaselect. Pero hopefully naman, may mapuntahan. Siyempre, sayang din naman yung effort.
Hindi naman kami mapapakahirap ng ganito, guys.
Yes.
Hindi naman kami nagpaplano or may balak bumili.
And siya nga pala, yan, just an update. on the process na yung pagpapa-pre-approve namin.
Yep.
So, saka na namin di-discuss yun later on. Yan. Basta kung ano na yung hinatnan. But yeah, we enjoy already the viewing. Nakikita namin already yung market dito sa Calgary na ganito na pala kamahal. Tapos inisip namin, sabi ni Alwin, sana pala last year pa or noon pa. Pero sabi ko, huy, hindi last year, estudyante pa ako noon, kaya pa natin noon. Pero kasi guys, minsan lakasan din to ng loob. Kasi makikita mo guys, sobrang laki talaga ng tinataas ng properties every year. What if nilaksan mo na yung loob mo, kaya mo naman pala, yung mga ganon. Pero syempre, hindi lang yan lakas ng loob, dapat may ready ding budget, finances wise, okay din yung work. So I think si God talaga, nililit tayo sa right timing or best time. So I think sa real estate walang right timing kung ano yung best time para sa inyo. So kasi hindi mo mape-predict yung market whether it's up or down, you can tell. Pero syempre, pwede mo ma-anticipate ka, no? Ano yung makaka-apekto sa market, like yun nga, may ongoing trade war ba, yung mga tariff, so it can affect. But yeah, yung last time kasi hindi na-anticipate, pandemic naman, yun yung nagbagsakan yung presyo ng mga bahay dito. Pero walang nakakaalam nun. Kaya ngayon, we will see yan, kung ano pa yung best time para sa atin. And yes, I think hanggang dito na lang muna, no. Maraming salamat na naman sa pagsama sa aming vlog for today. I think mahaba ito. But yeah, we'll see you again on the next one. Peace!